morning, everybody. It is now morning playtime. And here we go. And Zane has expertly figured out how to get around the lead. Oh, oh. And there goes Zane, not Zane, Teddy with his zoomies. Gotten so much bigger now he can play, and he loves to. Oh, that was almost a takeout there. Ooh, he's so fast I can barely keep up with him, huh, Teddy? Teddy's a good boy, and then Zane lays in wait. They do this every morning, and it's just so cute to watch. And there he goes down into his stocking position while Teddy checks out. And Zane's getting ready for the pounce. And there is Mr. Zoomy. All the straw down. Our grass is starting to come in now. Little stalker down in his pouncing pose. Zane. And there's Ted, who is extremely unnerved by our neighbor's 80th birthday sign, which is adorable. And he's getting ready to do his pounce. And here's zoom. And oh! They're so fun to watch. I love watching these two play. Teddy for the takedown. Or not Teddy, Zane for the takedown. I swear, it's like you have 7 children. You go through all the names before you get to the right one. Teddy's very good with Zane until he's had enough. And then Coco is trying to get out. She's just sitting there pounding on the door. But we can only let either Coco or Teddy out one at a time. As then the leads get tangled up and it just turns into a hot mess. So there's Zane. Ooh, getting in his pouncing pose. Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it? Pouncing pose or tired pose? One or the other. He hasn't had his morning nap. Huh, Ted? Huh. All right, there you are. Yep. A little bit of a pouncing pose. All right, guys. Have a good day. We'll see you later.